Hello and welcome back to the video lectures on inventory models. Let us continue our discussion with deterministic continuous review models, and in this video I am going to introduce the third model of this deterministic continuous review models, which is EOQ model with price breaks. In this video I will briefly introduce this model. So far, we have seen two models in this category of deterministic continuous review models. The first model was the basic EOQ model under three different assumptions. First assumption was of constant demand rate. Second assumption was of obtaining the or replenishing the inventory just when desired. And third assumption was not allowing the shortages. We released the third assumption in the second model, and we allowed the shortages to occur if the customers are willing to wait. We developed the mathematical models for both of these models. We compared them and we also saw their intuition. Let us move on to the third model in this category of deterministic continuous review models. So far, we assume that the unit cost C is independent of number of units purchased. So it doesn't matter if how many number of units we order or produce, the unit cost remains same. If we place an order for 1000 units, 10,000 units, 1 lakh units, 10 lakh units, the unit cost remains same. Okay, so this is what we assume so far, and we release this assumption and we say that there is a price break. That means if we place an order greater than certain threshold, then the supplier gives us the discount. So we release this assumption of the same unit cost independent of number of units purchased or produced. And we say that now we'll be charged a unit cost C1 if we place an order capital Q, or we place an order of capital Q units less than a certain threshold small q, and we will be charged a unit cost C2 if the number of units placed are greater than this threshold small q. As an example, let's say that if small q is 5000 units, then we will be charged C1, let's say $2 if we place an order for maybe 3000 units, and we will be charged a unit cost C2 equals to, let's say, 1.7 if we place an order greater than 5000, or maybe let's say for example 7000 units. So this is the meaning of this mathematical expression. As a result of this, there will be two different total costs per unit time. We have already developed the expression for capital T in the basic EOQ model based upon the various costs involved, such as holding cost, ordering cost, and shortage cost for the second model. Okay, so this is the resulting mathematical expression. The total cost per unit time will be TCU1 if the unit cost is C1, and the total cost per unit time will be TCU2 if the unit cost is C2. Okay, so to decide the order quantity in this particular model is slightly tricky as compared to what we encountered in the previous two models. Okay, so in the next video we will try to gain an intuition into the mathematical expression that I have mentioned here on this slide. Okay, so see you in the next video.